World has lost 10% of its tropical tree cover and nearly 47,000 square miles were destroyed in 2019 alone. Can you imagine that? 47,000 square miles of land, 47,000 square miles of land that was forest, that was in some time there were trees there and they were destroyed in only a year in 2019. That was devastating. Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we're going to learn about deforestation. Deforestation basically is the action of clearing trees or forest or the land that has some trees and forest on them. The world has lost 10% of its tropical tree cover and nearly 47,000 square miles were destroyed in 2019 alone. Can you imagine that? 47,000 square miles of land, 47,000 square miles of land that was forest, that was in some time there were trees there and they were destroyed in only a year in 2019. That was devastating. Deforestation, the causes of deforestation are sometimes natural and mostly they are because of human activities, mostly because they are forests are raised because of human activities, because to acquire land for the growing population and to graze their animals. Deforestation is wrong and it could lead us to that. Deforestation, we obviously need trees to breathe, right? And if we don't have trees, we don't have nothing. We have nothing if we don't have trees. So let's learn what deforestation really is. Let's dig into it and learn what are the natural causes and what are the man-made causes of this, and let's learn what really are the effects of deforestation nowadays. Okay, so as I stated, deforestation is the action of clearing forest, right? Deforestation can be stated as the action of purposeful action of clearing forest to make space for agriculture, to make space to graze animals, animal grazing, and for construction, manufacturing, or to just simply obtain wood for fuel to live on. Okay, so deforestation, we are clearing forest for our for our personal reasons, but we don't see that forests are the reason we are living, right? Forests are the only reason, reason we can live, are the root of our living. We need oxygen from forests, we need oxygen basically from trees, obviously. But if we are constantly clearing forests, do you think we will have enough oxygen? And if we are clearing forest for the growing population, to make homes for the growing population, do you think they would have enough oxygen for them? No, I don't think so, because deforestation have greatly altered landscapes around the world, and it is devastating to see how, like, at the rate of trees being cut down for fuel, for to make space for anything, agriculture, construction, manufacturing, or even animal grazing. But we need trees to live on. We need other things also, and we obtain those from cutting down trees, from their wood or anything. But we also need trees to live on. Okay, so forests are obviously home to many animals, many plants, or many species. So loss of forests means loss of species. Forests are home to about 70% of the world's plants and animals, right? Isn't that right? That 70% of the world's plants and animals, their home is forest. And if we cut down forests, we are losing them. We are definitely losing them. Plus, deforestation contributes to global warming. That makes it even that we need trees to breathe. We need trees for our oxygen, and global warming is happening because of us cutting down trees. So deforestation is directly affects global warming, and it increases global warming, and about 20% of the greenhouse gas emission is caused by clearing tropical forests. So isn't that something to really know, or isn't that something to really focus on? Because we really know that in the end that is going to affect us. We really know that in the end that is our damage, that is dangerous to us for cutting down trees, right? It is very dangerous, and we are doing it constantly. As I stated, in 2019, 47,000 square miles of land that consisted of trees, which was a forest, got cleared up. We just lost many trees, many species, many plants, many animals. We cannot even count them. That is devastating, and that is something to really focus on right now. That is a growing problem of this world nowadays. So I stated that deforestation is a growing problem nowadays. Why is deforestation still a problem? There have been a lot of things to tackle this problem, but we have not get a hold of the problem. We have not definitely stopped the problem, right? Why is deforestation still a growing problem nowadays? You see, forests being cleared up, or even trees being damaged, they release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that 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 are harmful for our body. Forest being damaged contributes to global warming. As I stated, deforestation directly impacts global warming. They release carbon dioxide or even some other greenhouse gases, as I stated in the last part. So, forest being damaged contributes to global warming, and global warming isn't good. Forest being cleared up is the sole reason for climate crisis. If we want to tackle the problem of climate crisis, we have to first solve this problem, which is deforestation or forest being cleared up, or the action of the action of forest being cleared up. We need to protect trees now more than ever. We need to protect forests now more than ever. We need to stop deforestation now more than ever. So now we shall discuss some causes or effects of deforestation. There are many effects of deforestation on the world we are living in right now, and it is destroying our planet, and it is destroying us. We need trees to live on. We need trees for our oxygen. We need trees to really just fulfill the cycle of life. So some effects of deforestation include floods. Floods have been the sole effect. There have been flooding in many areas because of the sole reason for flooding is deforestation. Soil erosion, or even loss of habitats, or even extinction of species is caused by deforestation. Increase in global warming, or even increase in greenhouse gas emission, and decline in life quality of people, or poor life quality of people, because we need oxygen, we need good gases in ourselves. We don't need carbon dioxide, or we don't need some harmful greenhouse gases that the trees are emitting when they are being cut down. We need oxygen. So let's try to stop this. Let's try to stop cutting trees and start planting more trees to really, cover the damages that have been done to our world. We need to fix this because we have to live in this. This is our home. There is no other place we can go if it is destroyed. If it ends, we end. So the causes of deforestation are often interconnected. So causes of deforestation are often interconnected. They include to make space for agriculture, to make space to graze animals, to make space for the growing population, to make homes for the growing, to make houses for the growing population. Industrial agriculture is also the cause of deforestation. And then there are some natural reasons, that natural fires or even floods that are caused by deforestation also affect deforestation, right? So also affect our trees, right? So deforestation, the causes of deforestation include agriculture decline, and to make space for anything, to make space for humans or to make space for animals, mining, timber logging, or infrastructure construction, or manufacturing. We are clearing forests to make space for us, but we don't know that if we start making space for us in this whole world, there have to be space for trees. If we don't have space left for trees, we cannot live. We definitely cannot live. So we need to stop deforestation and really know what are the effects of deforestation, and all these floods, all these disasters are happening because of us clearing forests. We need to stop clearing forests. This sums up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We learned about deforestation. We learned about we learned about the causes and effects of deforestation. Hope you learned something new. Hope if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below your favorite part. Adios, I'm out.